In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can install SocialPhish in your Termux. So for installing SocialPhish, we have to go to our Termux first. Let's open our Termux. Let's type apd update and apd upgrade. Now we have to install wget. Let's install wget. pkg install wget. After installing wget, we have to install git. Let's type pkg install git. After doing this, there is one more thing left. We have to install php. So let's install php. Now after clearing this window, we have to open Now after clearing this window, we have to go to our browser. Let's go to our browser and let's search SocialPhish GitHub. So after searching SocialPhish GitHub, you'll get to see this first link. Now you have to click on this first link. And in case if you're not able to find this repository, I'll provide the link of it in the description. So you should check it out from there. Now you can see, this is a repository. You can see this is a repository. You can read about it from here, and we have to click on this code button, this green button right here, and we have to copy this code link. Let's copy it and let's get back to our Termux again. Now we have to write git clone and then paste that link that we copied earlier. After pasting this link, we have to wait for a while. And now I think this tool is installed. Now you have to type ls. You could see you are able to see this tool. Let's copy it and let's go to its directory. So and then ls. Now as you can see, it is already executable file. We just have to type ./SocialPhish. Let's copy this file and paste it here, and let's do enter. Now as you can see, you have a lot of options. You can make phishing page of all these tools. You have Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Netflix, PayPal, Origin, Steam. There are a lot of apps, Twitch. So let's test Instagram first. So let's enter one and let's go with default port 8080. Enter. After entering, you see we've got this link. Now after entering, you can see we've got this link. Let's copy this link and let's run it to our browser. Let's open a new tab and let's paste this link right here. Now as you can see, if anyone enters his username and password, let's say username and password, something like this, and click on the login button, so it redirects to Instagram website, and we've got the username and password right here, as you can see. By the way, this localhost 8080 link will run you into your own system only. It will not work any other system. You cannot share this link. And if you want to make this work in any device, you should check it out, our video about ng-rock port forwarding. It is popping up right here, or you can just go to our description and find video there. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one.